Sure nyo lang na makakain natin yan.
Trust the process.
May ganun tayo doon. May smashing tayo.
Oh, no.
Ayan. Cookie. Cookie.
So, we don't need ano.
Wow. Okay.
My bad.
Kaya na yung taas?
Low lang. Low heat lang. Which is good. Then you can get to it once you're so bothered.
Ito, flax seeds. Pumpkin seeds, diba? Tsaka oats.
Yep.
Protein.